Hi, I'm Brian with Hanning Law Limited, attorney for businesses and creatives, and today I am back with the fourth in my series on trademark laws, and we're going to talk about searching and clearing a trademark as the first step in registration. And to start this conversation, I want to talk a bit about branding and marketing, because as we've talked about prior videos, a trademark measures the reputation of the company, both in a monetary sense and in a legal sense. And we use trademarks in advertising and to label products and services, and it's the vehicle through which the company communicates with a customer or customers at large. And so even at the simple level, without registering, without anything, a trademark is an important piece of your marketing and branding. And when you're doing that marketing and branding, you're making a substantial investment. And yes, that substantial investment may scale with your business, but it also means that you want to be sure before you make that investment that your advertising is going to get people to come to you and it's all solid and protectable. Now, think of this example. It's been in the news recently, so you may have seen this. But the Cleveland baseball team, originally the Cleveland Indians, recently announced that they were going to change their name. And so they went through the process and made a big press release and push to announce that they'd be rebranding as the Cleveland Guardians. And this was clearly done because we wanted to make a big change, make a splash. Probably the investment in that advertising campaigns was hundreds of thousands, if not $1 million or more. Substantial. And there's one problem. The Cleveland Guardians is a registered trademark of a roller derby team in Cleveland. And you may be able to get the registration for the same city, with the same name, with the same general purpose of putting on sporting events and selling merchandise related to the team. And there may be a settlement between the two. But at the worst, it's a bad look, and it's something that could have been prevented by doing a good, solid trademark search. And this is something I recommend all my clients do, because the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office has an official listing and database on their website for all of the different trademarks that have been registered, and many that are just applications, both currently active and dead applications or dead trademarks. And it's not the best search engine, but it's definitely usable. And it allows you to answer the question of, is there a trademark out there that is a problem? And yes, you can hire a third party to register, to search, and you can get a much more thorough report and maybe even a legal opinion if you hire an attorney to do it. But you can do this yourself. It's through the trademark tab of the USPTO website. I also like to suggest using other free resources that are out there. Use Google. Use other search functions that allow you to see what websites are out there and what products are available. It may make sense to go onto Amazon and search it as well, but these are just quick searches to clean it up. I would also suggest using services like name.com or namechecker.com, and these are websites that let you check social media accounts, domain names, and other online pieces so that you know what's currently available versus not. And so, regardless if you are searching yourself or hiring someone to perform this search for you, you want to look at whether or not there are major risks or minor risks. Minor risks are things like there's a million performances. Is probably not special enough to warrant concern. But you're also going to be looking at something where there's a likelihood of confusion. I've seen applications made where it's word business signifier, and the business signifier is the only thing that's different from an already registered phrase. That's a significant concern and may imply that you want to consider any valid arguments to make, or if you want to make other changes to your registration. So, with that in mind, I'll talk to y'all next time.